The Heritage Gazebo was sold at Big Lots. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ793PST-E. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 12 by 12, two-tiered with a domed, curved roof structure. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are its hexagon shape, round frame posts, curved bar on each side of frame. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by pockets. Please do not confuse this gazebo with the South Bay gazebo, as it has straight roof bars that create a straight angular roof. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Heritage Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.